I've lived in this community almost 25 years, and French Hospital is a community hospital, and it's always been supported by the community.
We have a collective responsibility to give back because we are the beneficiaries of a terrific community. There's hardly anything that will affect everybody in San Luis Obispo County like healthcare will.
I don't think anyone is fortunate enough to get through their whole lives without the need of medical care for their family or loved ones.
It's important for the community to have these services because a lot of them happen with no warning before.
I don't want to worry about my kids. I don't want to worry about my wife. And at that time, you want the best.
In an emergency, we're capable of taking care of the whole family during their time of crisis.
About a year ago, my cardiologist told me, Bob, your heart is great, but you have a valve that isn't doing so great and we have to replace it.
I had an emergency situation where I came in through emergency. They moved so quickly and efficiently, whether they were a physician, a nurse, someone bringing me my meals, they were all wonderful.
The procedure that was done perfectly, we were cared for wonderfully, my family was put at ease.
And they all approached everything they did with great integrity, great skill, and great love.
So I know that people can make a good choice when they choose French Hospital.
So the new campaign at French Hospital is called Beyond Health. And what that means to me is quite simple, I think. It's beyond.
Well, the Beyond Health campaign is about expanding French Hospital for the needs of tomorrow. We've always had wonderful physicians and medical staff here and a wonderful culture of caring.
The quality of care here is great. What'll be really tremendous is having this new facility, the new technology. We'll be able to take those gifted physicians and sort of unleash them.
They can deliver the kind of care that they were trained to give. Every nurse wants to be able to give holistic, comprehensive care, the kind of care that the Beyond Health campaign is striving for. And they can go home at the end of the day knowing that they've touched every aspect of their patients' lives.
Every day I'm grateful that I get to work here and be part of the community.
In the environment that we've created as leaders, people want to come. Employees want to come to work.
Having this kind of health care that we will have with the new French Hospital is extremely important as a recruiting tool. This is one of the things that people look at.
People look at housing, they look at education, and they look at health care.
Great hiking, great biking, great quality of life, but great health care has to be a part of that. After this expansion, it will be.
It's not our hospital. It really is for the community.
It's going to be an environment where everyone can come and be their best self.
Beyond Health is beyond your imagination.